Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download 8-Fit Workout and Meal Planner. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then, search for 8-Fit Workout and Meal Planner. There, you can see 8-Fit Workout and Meal Planner by Urbantic Incorporation. Press on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app on your device, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open 8-Fit Workout and Meal Planner to help with your workout and planning your meal. That's much for today. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.